Alright, we are here at Michael's today. They are supposed to be doing some Milky Way Galaxy slime thing today for free through Nickelodeon. JJ, are you ready to get slime?
And we might be possibly on Nickelodeon.
Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah. And they'll put it on Nickelodeon, we'll get to see us, and then we'll be famous. No, not actually.
Okay, well we're here a little bit early, so we're just going to go wander around Michael's and check everything out.
Okay, just wait. Bye.
Look, check it out. Home, sweet, haunted home.
Mom, feel it.
I need this for our house for Halloween.
Feel it.
I know. Love Halloween. The boys are checking out the collection of slime they have here.
I'm gonna pass out. Oh, not again.
Very cool. Look, and they got, look, horror slime.
Mom, what's in the glow?
Glow in the dark.
Nickelodeon
Oh, look,
slime.
there's even an Elmer's Glue starter kit for slime. Elasty-plasty. What is this? It is a slime shooter, guys.
Slime.
A slime shooter. Check that out.
Slime shooter.
Look, we have some here. More slime shooters. Look at all the fall stuff everywhere. It is glorious. Oh, I love it. I can't wait. Not that I'm in a hurry to rush through any more of my life or anything, but fall is my favorite season. JJ, what's your favorite season? You like summer, winter, fall, or spring?
Christmas.
You like Christmas, so you like winter. What's your favorite season?
MVTE. I don't know what that spells, but I don't.
What's your favorite season, Jake?
I have to say, you know which one.
Say it.
Fall.
I know. Look at all the stuff behind you.
F-A-L-L.
That's fall dance.
You know why I love fall so much?
Why do you love fall?
Halloween.
Okay, so I turned a corner and there's more. So much more fall stuff.
So much. Look at these. They're not freaking food. I know, but
Look at it.
so cute. See where?
Look at all the cute little scarecrows. Look, we got more stuff over here.
Mom, there's a witch. You can see a witch.
There's a witch, huh? Hold on, I'll come around a second. Oh, I see it over here. Look, we got a ghost, a Frankenstein.
There you go. There's no witch over here, but the witch is on the other side.
That's alright. What are you looking at, JJ? They're pretty.
Oh, those is pretty. They don't smell good. No, those ones don't smell good.
They are very excited by the glue variety here at Michael's.
Look, I'm here because I kind of want to see what I'm good at, woodwork, and I just want to see some wood stuff here. So.
Jake has made it a goal of his to sometime before the summer's over make a stool.
And I'm excited. Slime.
We're excited for slime.
This. What is that?
I don't know. What is it?
It's clay.
It is clay.
But the best part... Clay.
More clay.
The best part about woodwork is painting it. That is the best part.
Jake, we found wood. Look, there's actually... Don't. Look. You can make a clock.
Oh, good.
Look at that.
Oh, you
JJ.
make this.
Oh, yeah, that's a paddle.
Paddle? What are you supposed to do with that? Oh, I can, make something for a boat or something.
I know what I could use it for.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh, look, this stuff is so cool.
Mom, look at this.
Look, farmhouse, that's so pretty.
Look at this. Look at that.
What is it? Stay still, stop bouncing. They are colorful rocks.
Yep.
So JJ also needs to pick up colorful rocks. Yeah.
It's my pet.
Grow old along with me. The best is yet to be. Aw, that's so sweet. I like that.
Out you even see me?
Teleportation?
Yes.
I knew it.
Look at this. Look at it. Mom, look at this magical wall.
I don't think that's what that is.
JJ, I don't know if you should play that. That's
Yeah.
glass. Tweet, 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 tweet. Love. Mom, I do love you.
I love you too.
I really love you, Mom.
Aw, my sweet little boys. Jake loves to do anything to do with science. Crystal growing, he loves doing that. What'd you find?
Look at this.
You found a lava lamp. Those are pretty cool. Alright, put it down. I don't want you to break anything, bud.
We should get these for cats.
Yeah, I'm sure they would love that.
Remember I want a magician? Magician son?
Oh, yeah.
Can I get it, please?
Not today, buddy.
Okay. Look, it even makes noise.
Hun, stop throwing those on the floor, please. So if anybody ever needs to know what makes me happy, other than my kids, seeing fall stuff in stores. Look at it. It's just so pretty. Right,
My
Jake?
feet hurt.
Because he wouldn't wear the shoes I told him to wear. Instead, he wants to continue wearing ones that are like two sizes too small. Alright, walk around and decorate your slime.
What do you call it? Bless you. In your elbow, not in the hand.
Add the shaving cream as well.
Ooh, you want to add some shaving cream?
It's thinking.
What's the shaving cream do, lady?
It makes it fluffy.
You guys want to add some shaving cream and make that fluffy?
So try not to get it on the table.
They did. Take your slime off.
Yeah, it's got a lid.
I can't let go.
You want some?
Yes. I want some.
Tissue?
Let.
Yeah.
So if you mix
The
I didn't
decorations
think
in
this
while you're
one
holding
this
it, it won't drip.
Use your hand like
You
this.
hear that?
JJ.
You want
Use
some
your
stuff?
hand like that.
Yeah, get some beads.
There's some cool stuff over here. Oh, look, you got
There you
beads.
go.
And
See,
I
now
found
some
stuck to me.
Yeah.
Doesn't
Okay, keep going. What do you want? Do you want help?
Here, you want some shaving cream? Alright, come over here. Put your hand up. Alright, mix that in
Not
with
all the beads. No, gotta leave enough for other people.
it. Squish it in really, really well.
Slime together and with it.
Do you want any eyeballs or anything?
Yeah?
Wait,
JJ
stop, it's falling out beside you.
Get ready to drop more.
Lift your one hand.
It's dripping, it's dripping, it's dripping. No.
Now mush it together. Now lift your other hand. Now lift your hand.
I've been attacked.
Okay, you
Alright,
go.
JJ, how's it going?
Yeah. So messy, but good.
Message is good? How about you, Jake? How's it going?
It's going good. She taught me if you roll it up, it will be less sticky.
Alright. Roll it up good, JJ. That's going to be so pretty.
No, I don't think it'll. I think it'll be fine until we get it home for a bag.
Alright.
Libby?
If you turn the bag inside out, all of a sudden.
Roll it up really, really well.
See?
So if you put it in like this, you just pop
Roll
the
and
bottom of
squish.
the bag out. She knows get all of it.
What do you tell her?
Right now, I'm small.
I need a bag.
Alright. This is JJ's Milky Way slime. There you go, bud. And we got Jakey's pretty Milky Way slime.
Wait, oh, this is mine?
Yeah.
No, I got the bigger one.
Alright, guys, what do you think about making slime?
It was awesome. When we get home, I'm totally
Totally gonna play with it?
It's Nickelodeon slime.
Nickelodeon slime? Yeah.
And mine's very pretty. It's the most
It is very
famous slime ever.
Most famous slime ever.
Mine's very awesome one. No, mine is. No, mine is. Mine is.
They're both beautiful.
Mine is.
They're both good.